So to configure the memory of your Hermes agent, let's switch back over to the Hostinger web terminal. Now, if you closed your terminal since the last step, or you're coming back to this anytime later in the future, you'll need to get back into the Hermes container first. You need to do this anytime you want to run Hermes commands from within the terminal. If you're on the standard root user or starting a new session, Hermes commands won't work without it. And once again, you'll also find all of these different Hermes commands listed in the video description within the Hermes setup guide. So here, let's go ahead and run cd/docker/Hermes-agent. And for this, again, you'll have to go back over to your Docker manager, find these last 4 characters right here. I'll go ahead and copy them, switch back over to the web terminal, then type dash and paste those in right here. Press enter, then go ahead and run docker compose exec-it Hermes-agent/bin/bash. Press enter. And now you're back inside the container. From here, to see your memory options, go ahead and run Hermes memory setup. Run this. And then right here, you can see all the different memory providers that Hermes supports. And right here, you can see that we're currently using the built-in memory. Up above here, you'll see Honcho, which is my personal recommendation. If you want to make the switch from built-in memory, just select Honcho and follow the steps to create your account, set up billing, and connect your API key. I'm not going to walk through that exact process in this video, but it's straightforward, and you can go through it on your own from here.